Ba 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 ba. You see the cocky, they come put the pussy on me. Yo, Bumba clad Tory Lanez, make you go start me, G. Yo, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here another reaction. And today, guys, we are here, we're back again. We are react to DEXTA DAPS, the official remix of DEXTA DAPS, Call Me If. The remix of TORY LANEZ and Louie Culture, two icons of the thing. We are going to jump in it and see what one. I never react to the first, the original song. I know how the original go, but I don't know what TORY LANEZ are going to say. I don't know what Louie Culture are going to say. So, I'm very, very excited about this one. We are going to just jump straight tonight. Let's go without wasting no blood. Let's go. We got good production.
A real ganga leaf so the good seed. Good. She want a ganga leaf. She said she want a big long body. She said she would like to be free. She would like.
She frustrated at work. The girl frustrated at work. You fuck because she want a real ganga leaf. Dig it.
She want a ganga leaf. She said she want a big bungalow. She said she would like to be free. She would like to be free.
Call me if the little man now fuck you good. Better you fuck somebody else. Call me if.
Call me if the little boy now fuck you good. Better you fuck somebody. I have the voice, but it's not right.
The boy need it. Like an sister, your pussy too good for him. Better you fuck somebody else. Call me if. She want a real gangale. She want a big long body. Call me, yeah.
Call me. Woo!
She want a big bang belly. She want a big bambo, yeah. Call me, yeah.
They get them look pretty and fucking man.
Bambo, yeah. Call me, yeah.
Hold on. TORY LANEZ found me, I think. Remix. See me can't. Hold on.
My girl fling the jazz up, things like it toss up. You forget wash up, you forget mash up. Baby just grind on the cocky like a pasta.
Yeah.
She a dread the cocky like a rasta. Slaughter.
What say about rasta? What say?
Fling the jazz up, things like it toss up. You forget wash up, you forget mash up. Baby just grind on the cocky like a pasta. She a dread the cocky like a rasta. Slaughter.
She a dread the cocky like a rasta. Slaughter. Yo, this is how versatile TORY LANEZ is. TORY LANEZ versatile, you fuck. I think TORY LANEZ is actually Jamaican though. But the man patois the pan pint like a maca, like a kasha maca. Let's again.
My girl fling the jazz up, things like it toss up. You forget wash up, you forget mash up. Baby just grind on the cocky like a pasta. She a dread the cocky like a rasta. Slaughter. She want me cuff like the fucking police. She a beg me for fuck her please. Me not touch her teeth. If you want go buddy come fuck me. My thing cost money but for you it come free.
If you want good body, come fuck me, but me think. Yo!
She want me cuff like the fucking police. She a beg me for fuck her please. Me not touch her teeth. If you want go buddy, come fuck me. My thing cost money, but for you it come free. Come in, no say you need it, no say you want it.
Boo! This is the first time since me had the reaction me ever pull up a song from the start. We are go again. Bumbo clad. Pull up. Gunshot. She want a whole ganga.
She want a big long body. She said she would like to be free.
She would like to be what?
She want a bungalow. She said she want a big bungalow. She said she would like to be.
Jump in.
Call me if the little man now fuck you good. Better you. Oi. Call me if.
What?
You know see
the boy I need.
Like an sister, your pussy too good. Better you fuck somebody else.
Ladies remix.
She want a
hold on. She want a hold on.
She want a big bang belly. She want a big bambo, yeah.
fling the jazz up, things like it toss up. You forget wash up, you forget mash up. Baby, just grind on the cocky like a pasta. She a dread the cocky like a rasta. Slaughter. She want me cuff like the fucking police. She a beg me for fuck her, please. Me not touch her teeth. If you want go, buddy, come fuck me. But thing cost money, but for you it come free. Come in, no say you need it, no say you want it. You see the cocky, they come put the pussy on it.
Ba. You see the cocky, they come put the pussy on me. Yo, Bumbleclad Tory Lanez, make you go start me, G.
You swing it and make me honey. Sex and tiny, I smell like the sun, me need that. Man, I for read that. Grip too tight, too time, nearly breathe that. Suck pussy boy can't see me now. Man, gala.
Bala. Tory Lanez like a hard winner.
Sex and tiny, I smell like the sun, me need
Hold on.
that. Man, I for read that. Grip too
Trouble.
tight, too time, nearly breathe that. Suck
Wait.
pussy boy can't see me now. Man,
Wait.
gala call me when them need me round.
Man, girl, call me when they need me round. Know yourself. I like I'm say, whoa.
Fuck somebody else. Call me, yeah. Can I say the boy need it? Like can I say your pussy too good feel? Better you.
Whoa.
Call me, yes.
Louis Culture coming now.
She said she want a big gangaloo. She said she want a big bang belly. She said she would
like to be free.
She said she would like to be free.
Huh?
She said she want a big gangaloo. She said she want a big long body.
For all who don't know who Louis Culture is a legend from the 90s dancehall. A legend, living legend. DEXTA DAPS second verse on the song upon the original. That is Louis Culture sing that before. Come on, come as a laugh. Tell you upon a mission, me no come for Skylark. That's where I get it from. So that is why Louis Culture is on this remix, I believe. Let's see what Louis Culture says.
She would like to be free. She said she would like to be free.
See? See? Yeah. Pull up, take off the blood clot glasses. Only not trouble, though. Only not trouble. Let's go again, Louis.
She said she want a big gangaloo. She said she want a big bang.
Yo, the two verse them bad dog. Next to that verse bad too, of course. But come on.
She would like to be free. She said she want a big gangaloo. She said she want a big long body. She said she would like to be free. She said she would like to be free.
Pull up.
I girl me come here so fi walk and me no come here so fi laugh. They up on a mission, me no come fi sweet talk. No bag of chatting, so me no come fi skylark. Woodly have fi walk till all me body shine off. If I'm money, have fi run, no fi tell me where it cost. She say I'm on a rubbish, she burn him like a dry grass. You know she say she no want him fi get an eyeglass. What that me a see inna the sky a fly past. Fling the jar.
Blood! Yo! This is the baddest remix for 2021 so far. Me not care what nobody wants to say. This is the baddest Bumbleclad remix. Me not care what nobody wants to say. Let's go! Let's go, man! Let's go, man! I'm hyped as fuck!
She said she want a big gangaloo. She said she want a big bang belly. She said she would like to be free. She said she would like to be free. She said she want a big gangaloo. She said she want a big long body. She said
So, DEXTA DAPS went first with theme verse. Tory verse have fire. Me never expect that from Tory Lanez, but Louis Culture verse. Bombard Louis Culture, man. Come on.
she said she would like to be free. I girl me come here so fi walk and me no come here so fi laugh. They up on a mission, me no come fi sweet talk. No bag of chatting, so me no come fi skylark. Woodly have fi walk till all me body shine off. If I'm money, have fi run, no fi tell me where it cost. She say I'm on a rubbish, she burn him like a dry grass. You know she say she no want him fi get an eyeglass. What me a see inna the sky a fly past. Fling the jars away.
Oh my God!
She have to come back tomorrow. Fling the jars away. Fuck her away. She run like a barrow. Fling the jars away. Fuck her away. Just play like a marrow. Fling the jars away. Fuck her away. She said she like for swag. Call me, yeah. The little man now fuck you good. Better you fuck somebody else. Call me, yeah. Can I say the boy need it? Like can I say your pussy too good feel? Better you fuck somebody else. Call me, yeah. Real gangale. She want a big long body. Call me F. Call me F. She want a big bang belly. She want a big bambo, yeah. Call me F. Call me F.
She want a gangali. She a bet she want a big long body. She would like to be free. She would like to be free.
A dream, she dream, you know. A dream, but a big bamboo, you know. Yo.
She a bet she want a big bangale. She just would like to be free.
Bumbo clot.
She would like to be free.
Bumbo clot. Dog. This, the remix here, one of the baddest remix me here for a long time. 3 verse connect, the 3 verse deliver. Louis Culture rip it. Tory Lanez rip it. DEXTA DAPS as usual rip it. Dog, they call up DEXTA DAPS. You could never ask for 2 better artists to join you upon that song, brother. I know you did the challenge on Instagram, but dog, this Tory Lanez knock it out of the park. Me never expect Tory Lanez for so fluent to the patwa. Tory Lanez, big up a bumbo class F. Louis Culture. Someone gangali. Big up yourself, G. DEXTA DAPS, you know the score already, man. You know this badness come down already, man. Guys, if you enjoy the reaction here, I want to see more content like this. Let me know in the comment, man. You know the thing, man. You know what to do already. I don't even have to say it. Out of here. Peace.